Having a flat is the biggest fear of all cyclists. Sometimes you have friends who help you change it, and sometimes you don't. Here is how to fix a flat tire in 3 easy steps, as demonstrated by our bike mechanic on the TDA Bamboo Road, Ryan. Step 1. Remove the tire. If you had a flat tire on your back wheel, shift to the outermost gear in the back. Then open the quick release and remove the wheel. Deflate the inner tube and use the tire lever to separate the tire from the rim. Step 2. Find the hole. Using gloves or carefully with bare hands, run your fingers along the inside and outside of the tire to feel for bumps, gashes, pieces of glass, or wire sticking through. Look close. Real close. Step 3. Repair the flat. If you have a patch set, you can begin to patch the hole. If not, take out your new tube and inflate it just a little to allow easy placement into the tire. Inflate it carefully, checking the tube and tire are seated properly on the rim and neither is uneven along the bead. Ideally, you do not use tire levers to get the tire back on. Inflate the tire, put the wheel back on your bike, secure it nicely by tightening the quick releases, and that is how to fix a flat. Now it's time to keep on riding.